Good morning, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Sir Abdul Sattar Khan. English, writing skills, speech. Nature is the best teacher. Let's begin. Nature is the best teacher. It makes us confident, tough, soft hearted, and loving. It gives everything it has to nurture us and to delight us every time. Nature is the best teacher. Good morning, everyone present. I am here to speak on nature is a great teacher. William Shakespeare, in his play As You Like It, has a very poetically said, tongues in trees, books in the running brooks, sermons in stones, and good in everything. It is quite true, nature is the best teacher. Everything in nature is so grand and flawlessly perfect. The infinite galaxies, solar system, the sun, planet, earth, and infinite forms of life on planet earth are just mind-boggling. Nature teaches us all the life transforming lessons of greatness, beauty, patience, hard work, peace, renewal, abundance, generosity, kindness, acceptance, self reliance, and many more. The sun teaches us to shine and give light to the world. The rivers teach us the message of determinedly moving on, overcoming. Nowadays, due to the rat race in day to day living, human beings are alienated from nature. It teaches us a real selflessness, you know, renunciation and sacrifice, etc. We can thus learn a great deal from nature. Nature is a silent teacher, friend, philosopher, and guide. It removes all our pain, agonies, despairs, and griefs. If we become merged with it, we find ourselves in an elevated state of consciousness. Study nature, love nature, stay close to nature. It will never fail you. थैंक यू वेरी मच। उम्मीद है आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगली वीडियो में दोबारा मुलाकात होगी। खुदा हाफिज़।